kaldra ára stóð úlfur í skugga hamra. Einmælt hjarta, járn í beini, enginn heimur aðeins steini. In the first of iron winters, a lone wolf faced the frozen highlands. Quiet heart with iron sinew, seeing only stone for kingdom. Dró hann spor í djúpa skafla, stjörnurnar hvísla, leita hafla. Ofan úr norðri brá sér logi blár sem nótt á brimsöltum skógum. He carved his tracks through drifted silence. Stars kept whispering, seek and wander. From far north fled out of fire, blue as night on sea-soaked forest. Stormsmiður úlfur, hjarta frá fjöllum, farir í helga heim til kvöldum. Fylgdu mér logi, leita spor, leið mér í ljósins formann stór. Stormforged wolf, heart from mountains, where is the hall of sacred evening? Guide me, blue flame along my footprints, lead me to doors of ancient daylight. Við rætur Yggdrasils, skalfurætur, snákar sofnuðu í steinugum lætum. Úlfsins spor þau brutu fjötur, bundin kringum mannanna tötrum. At Yggdrasils roots, the old root shivered, serpents slumbered in their stony murmurs. The wolf's slow steps cracked hidden shackles, twisted around the rags of mortals. Grár var himinn, grár var jörðin, en í augum hans rauðu börnin. Minninga manna mislitu glóð, vistuð í vindum varla í móð. Grey the sky and grey the valley, yet his eyes held ember children. Shards of memories, human heart, fire stored in winds and seldom breathing. Stormsmiður úlfur, hjarta frá fjöllum, farir í helga heim til kvöldum. Fylgdu mér logi, leitar spor, leið mér í ljósins formann stór. Stormforged wolf, heart him from mountains, where is the hall of sacred evening? Guide me, blue flame along my footprints, lead me to doors of ancient daylight. Daginn dundi skýra þrumu, fell úr rúnum forndra gruma. Spjót úr snjó og skjöldur rímorð fylgdu fram úr fjallsins dýrum. Then one day a thunder sounded, runes broke open, old mist parted. Spears of snow and shields of hoarfrost marched from caves in mountains marrow. Þeirra höfðingi rokkvír ein, bara járns í frostrunnin lein. Úlfur mældi stormum stýrir, ber þú byrði bræðra dýrðir. Their chieftain let and frost-scared leader wore the weight of winter's iron wolf. He spoke, you steer the tempests, you must bear our brother's glory. Geisli höndum, öldur í lofti, hríð í öndum. Leiðina leiddi blái loginn, bjó í brjósti úlfsins sóginn. So began the march of omens, waves in air